Welcome to TechLeaper channel, and in today's video I am going to show you how to hide column on Microsoft Excel. Today I will show you two methods that you can use to hide column on Microsoft Excel. So at first open up your Microsoft Excel. Now from here open any blank document. Now the first method is function method and the second method is keyboard shortcut method. Now for the first method, just select the column that you want to hide. If I select column D, E and F, then right click on mouse. And at the bottom you can see hide option, then just click on hide, and that's it. You can see your columns has been hidden successfully. Now for the second method, just select the column that you want to hide. Then you have to press Ctrl+0 from keyboard, and it's done. You can see it's successfully hidden. Now if you want to unhide column, just select all the column, then right click, and at the bottom you can see unhide option, then just click on unhide, and that's it. You can see your column are unhide successfully. And that is how you can hide column on Microsoft Excel. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.